You don't need calculator to solve any pH question. Imagine you are given a question like this. How would you solve it? Let's solve it together. pH equals to minus logarithm to base 10. 6 times 10 raised by what? Minus 10. What do? Just say pH equals to, what is here? Minus 10. Don't write minus 10. Just write what is here? 10 minus log 6. This is the answer. You are not sure? Let's do another one. Let's say you are given pH equals to minus log base 10, 7 times 10 raised power minus 9. What is the answer? Just do pH equals to, what is here? 9 minus log, what is here? 7. If you are thinking it's wrong or something, you can put your calculator and press the answer for this and press the answer for this. Okay, it's very easy. You don't need to disturb yourself with all these standard forms of a thing. Let's say we have something like this. pH equals to minus log 9 times 10 raised power minus 6. Okay, what will be the answer? Just pick the 6 here. 6 minus log 9. Very easy. That's the answer. Now, I said you don't need calculator. You'll be wondering, what about the logarithm? How do I get log? They are very easy. Let me just prove something to you. Now, this one now, I know that this is going to be 0.8, but you might not know it because you'll be thinking that I need calculator. I don't need calculator at all. Okay, this is 0.8. I know that the answer to this one is what? 9.2. I will tell you how I got all these things, when we move. Now, this is 9, Abi. 9 minus log 7. I know that the answer to this one is 9 minus 0.9. And I know that this one is 8.1. How do I know? You will know that now. In fact, let me say I want to change this one. Okay, this is 6. This is also 9. Okay, which one should I use? Let me say this is 2 times this and, log 2, Abi. The answer to this one is 6 minus. Log 2 is what? 0.3. This is 5.7. That's the answer. Okay, if you want to see that I'm wrong, you can check it out. But yeah, that is the answer. Okay, I just want to use 2 minutes to explain this, but I will teach you in my next video how you can get logarithm without calculator, how I got all these values without calculator. I'm going to teach you the trick. Okay, if you are just new here, subscribe. If you are watching this on YouTube and you are watching this on TikTok, follow me for more tricks that you don't need to use calculator for. Okay, all right. So yeah, we started our Jamb class. If you want to join, you can send me a message. All of this is I'm going to be teaching you everything. Okay, I'm going to catch you in class. Okay, bye for now. Let me give you a question. Just write it in the option. If I give you something like pH, let's say, pH equals to minus log 3 times 10 raised power minus 9. Don't solve it though. I'm going to give you a video to solve it. This is minus 9, Abi. But yeah, what will it be? Just like I did, log 7 times this. Understand? Just like I did this. What will it be? Is it 9 minus log what? Or 10 minus log what? So just write the answer in the comment section. I'll be looking at it. Okay. So I'm going to tag it to my next video where I'll be explaining how I got log 6, how I got log 7, how I got log 2 without calculator. You will not see this anywhere. Okay. But yeah, drop the answer to this. 9 minus log what? That's what I just want to see in the comment section. I'll be going to the comment section to check. Bye for now.